time frame is that we have actually taken over this high. We have broken and traded above this high, right, from the weekly time frame, and we are currently sitting in a weekly fair value gap. If we go to the daily time frame, this will be more visible. You can see we have broken and stayed above, and then we trace into this fair value gap. And we are currently sitting on this fair value gap, and we have recently taken out this low over here. All right, but we have not seen price close beneath it. All we have seen is price just taking the sell side liquidity pool over there, and we still have this buy side liquidity pool and also the ones above. Now if we look at this from a broader view, you can see that we have actually been in an uptrend. Right, we have been making higher highs and higher lows. Right, so this means that it is likely possible for Euro USD to continue moving higher. What do we need to see to confirm that we are actually going to be looking for this buy side liquidity pool next? We need to see price continue making higher highs, all right, on the lower time frame. Now if we go into the 4 hour and the 1 hour, you can see that after taking out this sell side liquidity pool, we actually have a shift in market structure. All right, this is an old high that led to the low, and we can see that price has traded and closed above the high, and we are seeing a retracement. So we intend to see price holding this level and keep making what structural highs, higher highs, and then we are going to be attacking this buy side liquidity pool over here. And on GBP USD, we can also see something similar. All right, we can see, if you should clean this up, we can see the price actually drove into this sell side liquidity pool, and after driving into that sell side liquidity pool, it has actually given a shift in market structure because we have this old high here. After price led to this low, it actually did trade and close above the high, and we are seeing some little evidence of price wanting to push higher. So if we also see a structural high being created on GBP USD, then it would mean that we can start attacking this buy side liquidity pool over here. Meanwhile, on USD JPY, we might not necessarily be looking for shorts. The reason being that USD JPY is the Japanese yen is very weak, so we could actually see some higher prices because of the weakness in Japanese yen. We could actually see higher prices, but on USD CAD and USD CHF, we might be looking for lower prices if we start to see structural lows, especially on USD CHF. All right, so we can see price retracing into this area and breaking down. Now what we would need to see on USD CHF for us to start attacking the sell side liquidity pool is that we need to see this low being broken. Right, we need to see that low being broken. This low over here needs to be broken, and if we trade and close beneath this low over here, then we can look for a retracement and then look for our sell side liquidity pool to start anticipating price to move into that area. All right, so basically in summary, I am looking for buys on Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and NZD USD, while on USD CAD and USD CHF, I'm looking for sales. All right, basically that is the plan for this week, and if you're going to be trading alongside this plan and this narrative, remember to always use appropriate risk management sizes and make sure you do not over leverage on your trading account. And until I come your way again next time, remember to always trade well and trade safe.